Yeah! Holy frick! Here we go! This is going to be amazing. Oh, here we go!
That might be the other one that I was thinking of, because it was further into the city, in some park. This must be Leeds Mountain.
Whoa! Whoa! I did not see that one coming. Wow! This is just great. Holy frick! This is incredible! I don't even think last year we had like the best like viewing, I think. But this year we definitely do. Oh yes. you even filming too?
Just taking pictures.
Ah. Whoa! Look at all this stuff here. This is nuts. Look at all this. Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh, you see that one flashing right there? Holy frick. Oh, right there. Wait for it. Right there, hold on. Should see it any minute. The next view, of course.
Yep.
Oh, there we go.
There
Just have to wait a few minutes. There we go. Wait. There we go. Oh. Oh! Holy frick! Hold on, they'll come back any second.
Oh, they're over there too.
Where?
Over there. They're all the way around us.
Oh my god, they really are? Whoa! Holy frick, they're all over the place.
Yep. See them way over there? See, they're pretty far away though.
Yeah, and that's kind of why we're viewing over here. My lord.
Over there too.
Wait, I think we'll see them any second. Coming back. They're all over the place. Hold on. Pause it until they come back. This could take a few minutes. Wait, there they are over there too. Yep, there's some over there too. I was almost viewing in only one direction. Oh, there they are. Right over there. Let me zoom that out. There we go. This is incredible. Oh, all the way over there too. Whoa! Wait, is that literally coming from here?
Look at the birds. Frick, we're out of here.
How?
Yeah, that's coming from our building, but
Okay. Oh, right there. I'm gonna zoom this up again.
geez, that was close.
It was.
Oh my god, they're still coming. The birds are like flying like right by our head.
It's like, oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, they're still all the way like over there. And they just keep coming.
Where's Zoe? I'm right here. Okay. Picture.
They keep coming, yeah! Right over there, right over there.
You did that on purpose?
Yep, they're all the way over there. Over there. Yep, all the way over there. Over there too. I know, it's kind of hard to see because of how dark it is. Oh!
Oh, they're shooting over here now. Oh, over here's them. Michael, look at the one right there. Coming from our building, see?
Yeah! Look at that over there. Yeah, look at this. This is crazy. Look, they're literally shooting them from this very building that we're on.
Wait for me, then I don't want to go on. What? Yeah. You going to bed?
I still see some over there.
Alright, so we gotta do your tablets now. Yeah, whenever you guys are.
Borrow this, I can zoom this up.
Yeah, it's not like they're gonna stay for an hour. You can go on that one anyway.
Hold on.
Yeah. Those are really pretty.
Oh, right there! Hold on, I'm gonna keep it zoomed up.
I think that makes it more blurrier. Keep it zoomed up and try. Yeah, doing that there, like keep it zoomed up, it'll fizz out.
Oh, right!
Just some advice so that we can have better quality. 'Cause I've made that mistake once before on my phone. Make sure it's like as far away from what you're trying to aim at as possible. Because we get we'll try to.
Oh yeah, that's kind of my fault for actually realizing.
No, it's okay. That's all you know. Don't worry.
Yeah. Hold on, I know they're gonna come back any second because of course this goes for, I don't know, like, who knows how many more minutes though. Dude, this is so much better than last year.
Yeah, I know, but I think we go 4 hours.
Any more gonna show up? If not, then I may as well just end this. If none are gonna show up. However, I could be wrong. Wait, I just saw one over there. Yeah, that might actually probably be it. Again, I could be wrong. But I'm thinking that's it. It's only like 9:15 p.m. Oh, over there.
Poor dog crosses his legs. They didn't go out for 8 hours.
Oh, frick, that's loud. My notification volume is so loud. Wow.
And now they went out long.
I think that's all of them.
I wonder how they react.
I literally think that's it. Yeah, I'm thinking that's it actually, because if I don't see any more out here, then I think we're done. Although I could be wrong again, but I'm pretty sure that's all. Although I can give you guys like a small view of like what's down there. Like, it's really cool down there. Huh. You'll be seeing another vlog tomorrow, which is also gonna be fun. So, yeah, but I'm pretty sure, yeah, because we don't see any more fireworks around here. I think that's all of them. So, here we go. You think that's it? Yeah, that's. Yeah. Alright. Guys, that wraps up this video. I was gonna be completely silent almost this entire video, but I just decided to just talk no matter what, cause, hey, I think there's only been one vlog that did not include my voice. I think that was back in 2016. But anyway, yeah, we don't see any more fireworks. Yeah, I'm just gonna again cut this here because, yeah, there's no more left. Anyway, I will see all of you tomorrow for more videos. I will have the 2 videos I was going to have published today up tomorrow when I return back home. This will obviously include LEGO Zelda Summer 2019 items 32, 33, and 34, plus the 4th of July event. By the way, that was all recorded also today, like this morning when I got up after the backyard 4th of July event. I didn't have enough time to upload that, so I'm going to upload it tomorrow, and then tomorrow I'm going to record these Zolas Up free 4th of July party, which I also did not have time to either record or upload. But I will also have a vlog somewhere here where I am right now. tomorrow, which will probably be the first thing you see as a video tomorrow. Alright, I'm out. That was a lot of fun. And before I go, just want to say happy 4th of July. Woo! Whoa! Yeah, I only saw a tiny bit of that. Oh well, I guess we're done.